Hello everyone, welcome back to C++ with Omkar. In today's video, we are going to learn about functions in C++. Functions are the one of the most important concepts because they give us in reusability, which means we do not need to write the same code again and again. We write it once inside a function and use whenever we need it. Let us understand this properly. Now we will discuss about what is function. A function is like a small machine inside our program. You give it input, it does some work, and it gives you output. Instead of repeating the same code in different places, you just call the function whenever you need it. Now we will talk about why reusability is that much important. Reusability saves time. We will write once and use many times, makes code clean and easy to read, reduces chance of error. If there is a syntax error, we can fix at one place. It automatically does for all the things. That's why reusability is a very important term in terms of functions. Let me explain with example. Think it of like making a calculator app. Instead of writing addition code in 10 different places, you write one add function and reuse it wherever you want in your program. This is an easy way to access and readability of the program can be enhanced. Now I will write a simple program without using functions. Let me write it. Starting with boilerplate code using namespace. Let me create a two variables for addition. Int a, I am assigning values here itself b equal to 9 and I will not create another variable. I don't want to waste my memory space. Okay. I am creating another a1 variable with 5 and b1 as 10, a1 plus b1. Let me run it. See, our output is 13 and 15. I forgot to give here next line. That's why that is showing in same line 13 and 15. See, we written same logic two times. It is not that much good and not reusable. So that's why in C++ or any other languages, they introduced function concept to make code clear and it can be reusable. Now we will write our code by using functions. Before that, let me explain syntax for functions. To create function, we need return type and function name. There will be a parenthesis. Inside parenthesis, you can pass parameters or not. That is your wish. And there will be a block of code where you will write your statements and logics. This is about syntax of creating a function. Now we will write by using function same addition program. Before that, let me clear this. The every function should be created above the main method. So you need to write above the main method. I will pass return type as integer and function name as add. I will pass parameters. That means creating variables int a, comma int b. Return because integer will return no. That's why return a plus b. Okay. We wrote there our logic. Now here inside main block, we need to call our function add 5 comma 9. Previously we given to know add 5 comma 10. Now let me run it. Oh, we forgot to see out this one, right? See out. Now let me run it. See, we got same 13 and 15 as our outputs, but we return here at one time itself. That is the important of function. We will write once and we can use multiple times or n number of times wherever we want. So functions play a vital role in programming languages. Without functions, the code will be messy and it can't be readable and the error can't be fixed as much as easy in using functions. Now we will discuss about types of functions. There are mainly four types of functions. They are function with arguments and no return values. And second one is function with arguments but no return values. Third one is function with arguments but no return values. The fourth one is with arguments and with the return type. This one we have already discussed in previous example. See, we have passed here integer. It will return whatever you pass. And we have already taken arguments. Arguments can be called as parameters also. We have taken parameters in arguments inside here. That means we have completed the fourth one. Now we will discuss about remaining three before going for writing three types of function. Let me do comments this and I will indicate also this copy. I will do here paste. Now you are able to understand this is what type of function. Now we will go for first one function with no arguments, no return values. Okay, I am copying this one for your reference. Okay, now we will start with boilerplate code using namespace. Now we will write function. Here the function is typed with no arguments and no return type. That means when there is a no return type, we will always use void. Void will not return anything and we will give name, get name of function. Inside parentheses, we are not passing any parameters or arguments. Now I will see out now Omkar. Okay, inside main method, I will call the function name. Now let me run it. See, you are able to see Omkar. This is with function, no arguments, no return. Now we will go for second one, that is function with arguments and no return values. Let me copy this one. Okay. Before that, I will comment this one for your reference. I am testing this function with no arguments but return values. So we will start with boilerplate code. Now we will create function. Our requirements are in this function type, no return type with arguments. That means we have to use no return type means void. And we will take function name as right and with arguments. And that means we have to pass parameters. I will pass int a comma int b. Okay. Now I will perform here the logic because we don't have a chance to return because the condition of this type is we have to know not to return. So in cout we need to write the logic. Sum is a plus b. Okay, now we have to call this function main method add 4 comma 3. Now let me run it to show your output. See the sum is 7. I will pass here next line. You can leave how many you want. Again I will need. See we are getting 7 and 10 as an answer. Now we will go for third one. Before that I will comment this. The third one is with no arguments but return value. I will copy this. Now starting with boilerplate code, using namespace. So we will create function. This requirement of this function type is with the return type no arguments. That means we have to take without void. We can take anything else, int, float, whatever you want. But I will take now int get number as a function name. Inside parenthesis, I am not passing any parameter because that is a type of this condition. Okay. Now in main method, you should see out get number. Now see the output. See, we are getting 42 as a output. By this, we have completed types of functions. These four are the main types of the functions. In next video, we will go deeper into functions and learn about call by value and call by reference, how arguments pass it to functions. Stay tuned to C++ with Omkar. Thank you.